Attention! Population alert in South Korea. The fertility rate has crashed on 0.72, the lowest in the world.
Hey Kaijun, you're also catching up on the latest news about South Korea?
Oh hey Benny, yeah, it's quite shocking. I can't believe one of the most popular countries is facing this phenomenon.
It sure is shocking. This phenomenon is actually called population decay. It can be predicted by a mathematical function called exponential function, specifically exponential decay.
Ah, I see. It's when you on the bacterial growth, which will get faster and faster. Are they similar?
Yes, but it's in reverse. Population decay means declining in numbers, while bacterial growth means growing. So by using this basic formula, P equals to the initial P multiplied by the combination of 1 plus R, which is the annual growth rate, to the power of T, which is the number of years from now. So if the initial population of 1 million is declining by 1% every year, after 10 years, the rate of change of population would be...
A few minutes later.
Only 90.44% of the population remain, which is a little over 900,000 less of population. So, in another 50 years, 54.7%, which nearly the half of the population will be left.
Indeed, it feels so surreal. Thankfully, mathematics can help us analyze and prevent further effects and solve the most significant problems in our lives.
Yeah. So, what about our country, Malaysia?
So, from this website here, it shows that the situation in Malaysia is different, where the population is growing. However, the fertility rate and the yearly rate change has decreased.
Yeah, but it has been predicted that the fertility rate will increase in the coming year, which resulting in the continuous increasing in population.
That's great news. All in all, mathematics can help us analyze and show that the two countries' population, South Korea, which is experiencing a serious issue of population decay, while Malaysia is experiencing a case of slowing growth. Do you have any other examples of exponential function in our lives?
Yeah, of course. So let me show you. Okay, so here is the example. The first one is population aging. The core formula is P equal to P initial times by E power R times T. The P is the future elderly population size, and the P initial is current elderly population size, which is known as initial value, and the R is annual growth rate of the elderly population, and T is time in years, while the E is natural constant, which is approximately 2.71828. And here let's see some calculation.
In addition, exponential also can help us to calculate bank interest because compound growth follows the an exponential pattern. Let's look at how bank interest is calculated using the compound interest formula. A equals to P times 1 plus R over N power to 10 and T. Here, A is the final amount, P is the principal, R is the annual interest rate, T is the time in years, and N is number of compounding periods per year. So let us look at an example.
That's why mathematics is so useful to our society. Even a simple task like comparing prices is useful to make it more relevant to our lives. Mathematics should not be underestimated.